Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to print images that are into attachments of issues via the reporter plugin. Okay, so let's log in into our demo server and then go to some random project, and afterward just create some issue. So in our ticket we are going to have the Matrix trilogy posters. Okay, so we add them via the files option here. So we have the 3 posters. So here it is, we have the ticket of the Matrix trilogy, and here is Matrix 1, Matrix 2 and Matrix 3. Okay, so now let's go to the administration that is located here onto the top right corner, and then select plugins and then reporter. Here onto report templates we click on new report, and it is going to have name print images that are issue attachments. Okay, so we copy paste this source code. Please note that we have here width and height predefined 200 and 300 pixels. However, you can change this into accordance with your needs. It could be higher or lower, or yeah, it is up to you how you can set it. Okay, so we save our changes and now return back. Okay, so we refresh and then click on the 3 dots here, that is the option for this ticket, and then click on reports. Afterward we see our report that is print images, issue attachments. Okay, and when we click preview we see that the images are printed successfully. Okay, and one very important thing, if you would like to get the public link, you click here, and then anyone that has this link could access your report with the images. Okay, so let's go to our browser, to other browser, that is Chrome browser, and we see that we are signed out from demo.redmineup.com, so we're out of it. Okay, but if we paste the link we still see this report with the Matrix trilogy posters. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.